but like, can I braid this and have like a old school rat tail? And look at these little curlies. You know what this like reminds me of? Like back in the day, centuries ago. You know, like the wigs, like English wigs and stuff. Like their little curls that they'd have all swooped back and have, you know, the curl on the side. Yeah. Anyways, I know I look like a hot mess right now, but it's like 2 in the morning, 1 in the morning. I don't know, sometime. I just got done being sick and lost 10 pounds in a day. But so today's video I just want to talk about because I didn't do a lot of talking. I was more just taking everything in. It was really cold outside. I need to turn this TV off probably. You know what? I'm too tired. I don't even care. Sorry, you're gonna hear it in the background. It was really cold and we were just like visiting with family and stuff. So I didn't do like a lot of videoing and whatnot. I know I'm gonna have to split this up into 2 parts because there was a lot taken still. The first part's going to be more about exploring around like Millennium Park and seeing the bean and stuff, and then at the very end I'll show a little bit of the Palmer House Hotel, and then the second part will be mostly at the hotel. Me and my sister decided we liked it so much that we want to go back, so we're probably going to go back in March, and I'm actually going to stay the night. But like when you go there, it just is so beautiful, and I'm just like, if you are like me and you love like vintage historical things, then you should go there. But we're gonna go back, and I actually just found out somebody was murdered there in the 70s. So if we do go ghost hunting, maybe we'll try to go on that floor or something. I don't know. Shook, kind of scary. But yeah, I just wanted to talk a little bit because like the vlog's super random and there's no like cohesive like anything. It's just showing basically what we're doing at the time, and I don't even talk a lot because like I said, it was so cold. I was carrying August, I was wearing him on the front, and then my heavy ass backpack on my back, so that was like probably like 40 pounds of crap altogether. Well, August isn't crap, but 40 pounds altogether of stuff, and then like doing more walking than normal on average. Like I'm still sore, but it was really fun. God, this is just driving me nuts. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy this vlog, and that's all I have to say. Okay, so right now it's just me and August in the car, and I'm driving back to my hometown, and I'm picking up my sister. This trip that we're taking today was not planned out, but we're visiting with some family, and we really wanted to be able to go do this. My nan was supposed to go, but she actually had found out she forgot. She agreed to work today, so she's going to be working. So me and Haley are going to be going up to Chesterton and getting on the South Shore Line train and going to Chicago. What is it?
It looks like just a big piece of cloth with rips in it.
Interesting. So we gotta think of like a challenge or something to do on the train.
Jump.
No. Do it. You won't.
Okay, don't joke about that.
Yeah. Why? Because you feel like you have to do it?
No, because Logan Paul joking about that.
Oh no, I meant just jump off and jump back on, not that.
I know, but if a train came.
Yeah, but you would see the train, like, you'd hear it. That's why I'm like, where's this train at? Should have been here
Yeah, you're
already.
Right.
Oh, I just dropped the banana. Finally made it to the bean. Cold?
Yep.
Oh, it's colder not cold August. I'm not gonna lie, I thought it was smaller. Like in pictures, it looks small. Found us. Yeah, don't hit it. Alright, you want to take pictures? What do you think about the bean?
This looks cool.
Yeah. Aww. Just hello. Could rent some bikes.
It'd be cold.
Yeah, it would be cold. Want me to do what?
Too hot.
Oh, yeah. Haley, the floor is lava.
I'm dead.
I thought you were gonna maybe jump up on Chase Promenade.
I was thinking about it, but I didn't want to embarrass myself. Your hands nice and toasty? Roasty and toasty?
Yep. Like my coffee pot.
How did she get those in?
Accented. I saw him do it a couple days ago. This is why my son messed up my coffee pot. A couple days ago, I had like one of those it's like a Keurig, but it's like Cook brand or something. And it's got a flap where you put the water in. And I saw him putting something in there, so I went over there and he had it filled with my daughter's Shopkins. And I yelled at him, I was like, don't do that, blah, blah, blah. Well, I guess I should have thought maybe I should keep checking it, but I didn't. Went to make hot chocolate the other night and my coffee pot was making some really weird noises and the water got so hot, like it's never gotten that hot before. So I'm like, what the heck happened? And I'm letting it cool off and I'm sitting there, I'm like, I bet he put Shopkins in there again. Sure enough, they were in there.
Toasty and roasty slipper.
Yeah.
We're on the verge of dying.
I had to throw away the hot chocolate because I was afraid I was gonna get poisoning from melted plastic.
Yeah.
Yeah. Huh? Like the frame is so cute.
Rubber tires and stainless.
So I said it looked like tires. We go check out the ice skating rink. Thank you for not climbing. Well, I mean, we technically didn't climb.
Yeah.
We just touched and stood next to him.
I love ice skating.
I used to.
Huh?
I used to.
You did? You should go one day.
I haven't gone since when I was in high school, like before I got pregnant with Audrey.
I've been gone since I was in Rhode Island. That's the only time I ever did it when I was in Rhode Island. I did it like 5 times.
Haley, run out on the ice. You won't.
I won't.
Oh my gosh, I swear he wasn't smiling a minute ago, was he?
He wasn't, no.
Why did it change?
Because he's staring at us.
What What if it was like an actual person standing that whole time?
I know. There's one on this side.
A girl, maybe?
Yeah, it's a girl.
God, everything smells so good.
There's more rope. I mean, not rope.
Tire. She's got braces. Ow, she blinked. What?
A bunch of carved names and braces.
The pink wig up here.
Don't you have one kind of like that?
Yep.
Gotta do the cooking by the book.
If you do the cooking by the book, then you'll have a
break it down, bitch. Let me see you back it up. Shut that ass down, load it, pick that motherfucker up.
One of those calls.
Yep. That's just a Crocs store. Okay.
Okay, now it's all hungry.
What do you think? Should we spend some on Starbucks or wait?
I don't care.
Do you want Starbucks?
Sure. If you want Starbucks.
I kind of do, but then I'm kind of like, eh.
I gotta pee. But there's probably no like restrooms.
No, there probably is. I thought I saw something that said restrooms. I don't know. Let's find like the main lobby. Is it up the stairs or up the escalator? Yeah. Oh yeah. See, this is what I think it looks really cool. Oh. Like the ceiling and stuff.